Hello, beautiful people, you. How are you doing? I'm a little sick. That's why my voice sounds a little crusty, but we're just gonna like ignore it, move past that, and jump into the video. Today's video is gonna be super funny. Are you believing this? I need coffee or something. I'm like really just dead right now. So I saw this trend on the TikTok, and if you don't have TikTok yet, please download TikTok. Except for if you have to like be productive in any way, shape, or form, because you will lose your life to TikTok. But there's this trend on TikTok where you write down all of the parts of your foundation. Oh, I'm so bad at speaking. There's a trend on the interwebs, mostly TikTok is where I've seen it the most, where you write down the steps of your makeup routine and you put it in a cup and you draw randomly and you just do your normal makeup routine, but you have to use whatever you draw to do the thing. So let's get into this because I'm bad at explaining things, but you'll understand once you see everything. My first step in makeup is foundation. I'm gonna close our eyes, count to 10. Eyeshadow. Oh, lovely. Eyeshadow. All right, let's do this. What color do we want to be today? Let's go into a Jeffree Star palette because pans are huge, so this won't be like too bad. Babe, pick a color.
Burgundy.
So we're gonna go into Snack, and we're gonna use that all over the face. Here we go. Oh, that's too light. Is that too light? That's too light. We're going in a cotton candy. Blend down the neck. Why is this taking forever? You know, I'm grateful that I didn't choose eyebrow pen for this. I wouldn't want a line. That would be embarrassing. I look like the Phantom of the Opera right now. If I get a copyright strike, I'm gonna be mad at you. Hey babe, am I pretty? Next thing I would do is concealer. So let's see what we're gonna use for concealer. Do you wanna choose for me? Come choose. Oh my god, choose. Oh my gosh. Pick one, please.
Lipstick.
Lipstick for concealer. Okay. You know what we're gonna use? We're gonna go with this color palette and we're gonna use Prom Night. So let's just go ahead and
Oh my gosh.
put that in the place we would.
That's some disgusting stuff.
What are you talking about? I'm beautiful. This is my new look. She doesn't blend out that well. But that's okay. That's okay. She sets like a dream. I always put the concealer up on my eyelid too. Beautiful. I love this. Dark circles, who? Dark circles, who? Beautiful. Ooh, I'm loving it. Yeah. Right there, right here, right here. Right on the tip of the nose, you know, right here. Ooh, yeah. Blend her in. Oh, looking blended. I think I need a little bit on my nose. I mean, on my chin. It's just getting like, you know, a little shiny. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. I'm gonna get demonetized, shoot. Next step would be contour. So what are we gonna use for our bronzer? Because I bronze, well, we could do contour first. Let's contour first, and then we can blend it out with bronzer. Lip liner! Okie dokie. So I'm using the Hollywood and Vine matte lip liner in 272 to contour. Okay, let's just... All right, and let's blend her out. And that doesn't blend well at all. Let's just rig up this mirror. Oh, cute. Cute, cute, cute. Cute, cute, cute. Ow! That freaking hurt. Okay, I'm almost contour the nose. All right, done contouring. Do we look good? I contoured around my lips, you know, to make them look bigger. All right, and our next step is bronzer. Let's choose what bronzer will be. Highlight. Gross. So we're gonna go into Snack and bronze our face. Okay, now that we've bronzed, it's time for blush. What are we gonna use for blush? Eyeliner. Okay. How are we gonna do this? Okay, I think I have an idea. So we're just gonna like, we gotta work fast. No. I wanted it to blend out. You know, just like a kiss. I'm just gonna hit it with some, oh yeah, there we go. Blending that out. Looking great. Pretty. Really pretty. So pretty. The most pretty. Pretty. Cute. Cute. You know when you go a little too crazy on the blush, you gotta like reel it in. Alright, after blush, I highlight. So it's gonna be our highlighter. Mascara, probably. Oh my gosh, you can't make that up. You can't make that up. Mascara, so pretty. I particularly love the the brush choice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, just like a little dusting, you know? Oh, she looks good. She's looking great. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, down the nose. You know? Gotta get down the nose. Other side. This is like tearing my skin up. I love it. Cute. So pretty. Yeah. Normal highlighter. I like to just kiss right there. Looking good. Cute. Okay, after our highlight, our face is done. So we go into eyes. So what is our eyeshadow? Bronzer. Let's put this bronzer on as our eyeshadow. Oh, beautiful. It's cute. I think it really goes, you know? Cute. After eyeshadow, of course, we have eyeliner. Let's pick out our eyeliner. Contour. This is so funny. It's like going the opposite. Best eyeliner. Oh yeah. Okay, and then mascara. Ooh, I'm nervous about this one. Like, what's it gonna be? Foundation? Eyebrow pen. How in the hell am I supposed to pull this off? Like, I would like to know immediately what I'm supposed to do right now. I guess, like, hold my eyelashes right here and just color on them. There we go. Beautiful. You can really tell. Really accents the lashes. Perfect. What are we gonna do for eyebrows? Why is my cup empty? Where's the rest of the steps? What have we not done? We used... So I haven't used foundation and I haven't used concealer. So, babe, pick a number between 1 and 2. Yeah. Pick 1 or 2. Babe, can you stop?
Oh, there's a number, 1.5.
Shut up. Okay, can you pick F or C? Choose one. F? Okay. He chose foundation, so we're gonna do foundation for our eyebrows. Shut the front up. You're
Damn, you look good, y'all.
Thank you. I'm trying. Thank you. He's so sweet to me. Let's go in with the eyebrows. Just stop right there. Looking fantastic. And then that just leaves concealer as lipstick, which is great because it's a doe foot applicator and I don't even need to do anything really. Just, that's the grossest feeling. There is no one. That is so scary. The front door just opened and no one's there. Cute. Oh, I look beautiful. Babe, what do you think?
You look like a freaking.
That's not nice.
Who encouraged you to do that?
I look good.
Don't cut it. Leave in your video.
I sure won't.
Oh, it's supposed to be funny.
It's not funny. All right, everybody. This is my new makeup routine. I'm stuck on this forever. So thank you guys for watching. Please try this. If you do, let me know so I can see, because this is hilarious. I don't think I've ever looked better. The color combinations are tight, let me tell you that. Anyway, have a great day. I am gonna go wash my face. Definitely immediately. Oh no, I think this is gonna stain. Oh, what has she done? Babe, I made a mistake. It's stained.
Oh my gosh. It didn't come off?
Okay. Can you pick another color?
No, that's burgundy. That's what I want.
Okay, he chose burgundy. What am I supposed to contour with burgundy? I want to use a shimmer. Okay, pick between.
Don't ask me then.
I'm just going to cut that out of the video so no one knows it ever happened. Haha. I'm just getting my beauty blender wet. Because I don't think things through before I start filming. You don't need music because I am the music.